If you're like most people, you've wished for a way to save money on maintaining your clothing.
For the last 100 years, we've all thought that we need to use detergent to get our clothes clean, right?
The LaundryPro 2.0 is the ultimate chemical-free appliance to get clothes and towels clean with no detergent, bleach, or softeners. How is this even possible? Using technology designed by NASA, this device of the future, available now, infuses cold water with hydrogen and oxygen-based oxidizing molecules that lift dirt and grime from the fibers of the clothes, leaving them clean, bright, and fresh, without the residue caused by laundry soaps.
Can you imagine not having to go to the grocery store and have laundry detergent on your grocery list? Now you don't have to. We can help our kids and our planet by no longer dumping all of those plastics into our landfills and to our water.
Even better, it is said to help restore fabric over time by removing soap residue and can save an average of $470 annually for a family of 4. Karen tells us that CW Service Pros can quickly install this environmentally friendly LaundryPro 2.0 so you can enjoy clean, bright, and fresh clothes without the hassle and cost of using laundry soap ever again.